Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys one of the best iPhone tricks you have ever seen. This is a pretty cool trick because it makes your device look really cool and totally different, but also is very easy to do and everyone can do on their iPhone without needing any apps or anything, just like a few simple steps, a few seconds, and you will have this very cool look. Like, just notice the wallpaper that I have here on the home screen. When I lock my device, you will see I have the exact same wallpaper, but it's black and white. Now notice now, once I unlock my device, you can see that cool effect. So we have the exact same wallpaper, but now it starts colorizing and it actually looks really cool. Not just that, that effect is amazing. Also, when we're right here, you can see we have the colorful wallpaper, but if I swipe down here to go to the notification center, you can see it starts turning black and white. How cool is that? Let me show you guys how to actually do that on your iPhone following a few simple steps. Now there is just one thing you need here. A wallpaper that you like I have this one right here. All I have to do now to create that effect is tap and hold this wallpaper and tap right here on duplicate, so I have two of the exact same wallpaper. Pick one of them and tap the edit button, go to effects like filters right here, and then just swipe here to Noir and then tap the done button. Now this wallpaper that we have added this effect and removed all the colors, make sure you set it as a wallpaper for your lock screen. You go right here, if it's zoomed in like this, just swipe to zoom out all the way so it gets a better quality, a better look right there on the lock screen. So now we're almost done. All we have to do now is tap the add button, and don't tap here set as wallpaper pair, but tap here customize home screen. Make sure you remove the blur and then tap on photo, and here load the same wallpaper, but now the one that is with colors. So right here we should have that wallpaper. So we have set the one with black and white on the lock screen. We have set now the colorful one for the home screen. Tap the done button, tap done once again, and now we're good to go. And you can see we have that cool effect right here when locking and unlocking the device. That's actually very easy. As you can see, all you need here is a wallpaper that you like, a few seconds, and you're good to go. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like button if you did, subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.